Are you planning for a holiday and wanna book some tickets?
But afraid of long queue? What if you can book your tickets just in a walk? Whoa, sounds great, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, but how? Introducing M-Train, a solution for all your railways-related queries. Now to download M-Train, get your smartphone, and then first go to Google Play Store. And then go to Search Panel and enter M-Train. Now select the one with this icon. Now click on the Install button. Wait for a while. And after it's been downloaded, click on the Open button. And there you go, as simple as that. Now you can easily get the information such as your source to destination trains, seat availability, PNR status, specific train info, and many more. It even comes with multi-language support. You can check your PNR status just in one click. Now get your railways timetable online and offline as well. Yes, now you can also check details like coach position or the coach layout. You can even get the live updates of canceled or rescheduled train information. Get all the IRCTC related news updates. You can also check the live running status for the actual or expected time of your train, just in a single step. Yes, M-Train can also take care of your important documents, clothes, accessories, essentials, medicines, so no more chance of forgetting your important stuff while packing. You can also search the hotel according to your location. Feeling hungry while commuting? Just use the Food and Train feature of the M-Train app. Need any help in train? Just go to Help button in the app and get all the important helpline numbers. You can also set alarm on specific station or an alarm before the arrival of your destination station. So if you are asleep, M-Train is there to wake you up. So, no more standing in queue, as everything is on your fingertips. Be one step ahead and enjoy the journey. M-Train, now available on Google Play Store. Download now.